Alright guys, Leo with Jackpot Leo. I'm at Grey Wolf Casino in Missoula, Montana. And I have $40 in free play. And we're gonna put it on Lightning Cash and we'll see if what we could turn $40 into. We'll do 10 cents denom, see how much it is. $5 on 10 cents denom. Minimum bet. Alright, let's go. What is that, $5 bet? Oh no, it's $2.50. Guess I will go. We need 3 volcanoes or 6 coins. There you go. That's something. Wilds. How much is that? 18, 16, 21. Cash out and make a profit. Time to pay for lunch. No, we went here because I get a promotion here. They send me about $80 in free play every month. Free meal and a couple of drinks. Alright, so we got $22 in free play left and $41.60 profit. Let's go. $42. Come on, to give us 3 volcanoes. One more. Alright, we got 3 free spins left. 3 birds. Birds. Alright. Go up 1 bet. $7.50 spin. Oh, there you go. Birds. There we go. And queens. So we got the 10s, the queens, and the Blue Jays. 90, 15, $52. Oh, $100. All right, guys. We turned $40 into $144. Cash it out. How do you cash out? There you go. Successful.